let me tell you, they're changing import.
They are?
They are.
Uh,
The
is this
reason why hindi
is
ko pa
this
nabalita,
is
the
is
reason why
this
hindi
real?
ko pa to na, yes, the only
Okay.
reason why I haven't reported this at Spin, it's because hindi pa nakuha yung paperwork ng bagong import na darating for Phoenix. For Converge.
Converge. Oh,
But
breaking news.
according to my sources, nasabihan na. Kyler Kelly was not told by management yet. Yan ang pagkaintindi ko. But his teammates already told him na papalitan ka na. And I also know that for a fact. I cannot just, hindi ko palang ma-report kasi nga, hindi pa final. I was supposed to break this news on Wednesday. And
Sorry.
yeah, I was supposed to, last Wednesday, this kahapon pa sana ko to, but hindi kasi natuloy nga because there's some paperwork, diba? When an import comes, he needs clearance. Marami kasi, kailangan ka ng clearance sa last team mo, saan ka man naglaro. Whether it's Korea or Japan or wherever you come from, kailangan ka ng release sa team mo dahil FIBA sanctioned yung mo, kailangan ka ng clearance. Then, you need your GAB license. You also
Yep.
need your work permit to work in the Philippines as a foreign national. So,
Yes.
and that's the only hold up. Pero as far as I know, the process is now in place na palitan si Kyler